Namaste everyone. I am Anmol Kumar. Welcome in Yoga with Anmol Singh. Today we do shoulder rotation in cat pose. Then we start Dhanurasana. So today we practice Dhanurasana properly with the strap and with the block. If you have two strap, then take two strap. Okay. If not, then one strap is enough. Okay. Relax your leg, come in butterfly position. Come in cat pose. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look your navel. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look your navel. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look your navel. Inhale, look up. Lift your left leg up. Lift your right arms up. Exhale, bend your knee, catch your knee, close your knee and forehead. Inhale, leg up, arms up, look up. Exhale, close your knee and forehead. Inhale, leg up, arms up, look up. Exhale, close your knee and forehead. Maintain 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, leg up, look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch your leg upside and stretch up maximum. Stretch as much as you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your leg. Same position, another side. Lift your right leg and left arms up. Inhale. Exhale. Close your knee and forehead. Inhale. Leg up, arms up, look up. Exhale. Close your knee and forehead. Inhale. Leg up, arms up, look up. Exhale, close your knee and forehead. Inhale, leg up, arms up, look up. Exhale, close your knee and forehead. Maintain 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, leg up, look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch your leg upside and stretch up maximum. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. In same position, through the opposite hand, we practice shoulder rotation. In last video, we already checked how we can rotate our shoulder with a strap or without a strap. So continue, we try that. One time, I show you again. You make one loop, okay? You can make bigger loop also if you're not flexible. If you are flexible, you can make a small loop. Put your feet inside of loop and same, put your finger also and then try to rotate your shoulder. Lift your left leg, put your loop in fit and catch, then try to rotate. The first option is this, and if you are flexible, then palm facing up, catch your feet, then try to leg up, bend your elbow and rotate your shoulder. Okay, so check your position and try to come in final position with the loop or without loop. Continue. Catch your left leg and lift your leg up. If you can't make balance, your right foot going inside, then easily you can make balance. Continue. Relax this side. Try second side. Relax. If you can lift with the loop or without loop, then slowly try to move your finger more down or catch your ankle through the loop. Okay, so same position, but your palm slowly come in this position if possible, otherwise continue in same position. Again, lift your left leg up, catch and rotate. One more things, you not pull your leg forward, leg pressure through the leg strength upside. Okay, and arms strength also going up. Continue. Second side. Relax. Now same leg and same hand. So first we do through the left leg. Right toes little bit outside. Then lift your left leg, catch your leg through the loop or hand and try to shoulder rotation. Another side. Relax. Next we try Dhanurasana. First lie down. Come in cobra pose. Bend your both knee for full cobra. Cross your leg backside, one leg forward, one leg back. Lift your one arms up. If possible, then bend your elbow and try to catch your down fit. Just try. If you can't catch, then continue with practice through the loop. You can try without a strap also. Same shoulder rotation through the same side of hand. Right leg through the right hand or left leg through the left hand. If you can without loop, then try shoulder rotation. So continue, rotate. Only one leg. And try to up. Relax. Second side. Relax. Now we try through the both leg. Okay, both leg together. So if you have only one strap, then catch your both leg through the one strap. So one side of one loop and another side you just lock. Okay. And same position, bend your knee, catch a strap. You can rotate one by one also, or you can catch both side of a strap and then rotate together. Okay, then try to leg up, pull your leg up, leg up, leg up maximum. If your body weight going back side, you can put block under thighs. Put both block under thighs. Then your body weight's going forward and catch closer. Then rotate your shoulder and try to pull your leg up. Relax. Child pose. You can shift your block forward back both side and your navel come just center of block. Then you have both side of support and easily you can pull your body up. So we check in this position also, Dhanurasana. Then we try without a strap. If you can't do without a strap, then continue with the strap. And if your leg have far, leg and hand, then slowly try to close. This for balance your body in center. Okay, continue. If you feel your body weight going back side, then you can shift your body more down. Relax. If you come in perfect position, then try without block. In Dhanurasana, you can use only one block also. If your body move forward side, then use block under chest, then body come in balance. If your body going back side, then you can use block under thighs, then your body come in center. Okay. If sometime going forward back, then you can use both side of block. Okay, now we try without block. If you need, you can use continue. Now I try without a strap. Okay, you check. If you can, then you also try without a strap. But if you can't, then continue with strap. This time I have my lower body have heavy, so body weight have back side. But if I pull, maybe I can. No, my body weight always going back. So for this, I no need much height, much support. So I just fold my mat, and I think this is enough for me. Yes. Okay, so you repeat, continue, and you try to come more perfection in the posture. Okay, if you want to ask anything, you can do comment in comment box. Today video going smaller because have difficult posture. If you can done this, then tomorrow we try for Lakarasana and for Viparit Paschimottanasana in through the Dhanurasana. Okay. Okay, so see you in next video. Namaste. Just practice, okay?